When the VJ628's ink levels become low, the error light will flash and a buzzer should sound. If this happens in the middle of printing, the operation will pause temporarily and restart after the ink cartridge is changed. Leave the printer powered on throughout the cartridge change. First, short press the operation key on the operation panel. This will cancel the buzzing sound. Next, view the VJ24 status monitor to check which ink cartridges need to be replaced. You can then remove the empty cartridges from the back of the printer. Remember, if a certain color shows to be empty, that means both cartridges for that color need to be replaced. Remember signwarehouse.com when ordering your replacements, where you'll always find competitive prices on the 628's EcoSolvent Ultra inks. Once the old inks are removed, pick up and lightly shake the new ink cartridges 2 or 3 times before inserting them into the proper locations. Make sure to match the ink cartridge color with the label on the back of the printer. The cartridge arrow should face up. Also, make sure that the cartridge is inserted as far as it will go. You will likely feel slight resistance at some point. However, if the cartridge sticks out further than any of the other inks, then you'll need to continue to push until the cartridge is all the way to the end. The printer should beep when the cartridge is detected. The error light on the operation panel should disappear once all empty cartridges are replaced.